Corsa resonator delete kit sitting side by side. You can see basically they're about the same size depending on your wheel base on your truck. And we wanted to show you that the resonator is a flow through, direct through design. So there it is, free flowing. Just got the perforations where the resonator is for an absorbent type sound deadening. So we're just going to do a quick sound check of the truck. We got the resonator still out, no resonator pipe whatsoever. There is, hopefully you can see that, if I can see it. There it is. Just an open flange. Nothing. And then there's the stock muffler. So I just want to hear what it sounds like with nothing. February 24th, 2018. This is my 2017 F-150 Ecoboost. Got about 6,200 miles on it. All in all, everything I've done to it be the Spectre cold air intake, which was mostly for sound. Gave me a little more interior induction sound. Wasn't very expensive, so I feel pretty good about that. I was going to do a full catback exhaust. I still might, but as of now, I don't want one. Putting the resonator delete in gives me just a little bit more interior volume. I can hear the motor a little bit more, but it's not annoying or doesn't sound horrible outside. I'll have to get another video of what it sounds like me driving with it outside. I don't think I'll ever really rev my engine, because it doesn't sound all that good when it goes full raspy like that. But definitely a difference. The video's audio quality probably doesn't do it really much justice for how much more you can hear it, both from the intake and the exhaust. It's nice, it's just not dead silent anymore. I mean, if you want a dead silent truck, then, you know, leave it stock. I can't say I've noticed any performance increase, except for from the tuner I've got. I've got a Bully Dog BDX, and that tune gives a little bit of power. It gives actually a pretty substantial amount of power. But I'm working with Brew City Boost, but at this point in time, Bully Dog's BDX can't load any of the Cloud Tune updates that Brew City Boost has been giving me, so I've been waiting over a month now for them to fix that. Not real happy with Bully Dog. But anyway, all in all, I'm happy with my truck. Makes a little bit more noise now. Sounds a little better without being obnoxious. Thanks for watching the video.